Hey, good morning everybody. Anyway, we got special type of switch. It will switch between normal and reserve power. So yeah, let's do it. So okay, let's start normal. No, reserve. Okay. Yeah. So multimeter. So one normal, one reserve. So let's say one connected into the grid, another one to wind turbine. And let's say there's no more wind for a little bit, the system will switch into normal, for instance, or reserve, whatever we choose. So at the end, here on exit, both lines connected together. So what I'm trying to find is actually the voltage drop, how much and what's going on. Ну-ка, let's turn on normal. So that's my normal. Oh, I just missed it. Ну-ка, shut down normal. What's this? Oh, cool. Turn on. And when we're doing it, there's a drop. See? Yeah. Okay. So, okay. Okay, let's see what's going on. Okay. Yeah, massive. Yeah. It's too much. All of the lights will be flickering. Anyway, so we need to find the solution. We need some kind of a stabilizer. Either way, check out Wi-Fi switch. Can be controlled from the phone. Cool stuff. Okay, so that's our new equipment. Thanks for watching. Bye.